If you want to run effective ads on TikTok to boost your sales, then in this video, I will guide you on how to run your own successful ads on the TikTok platform. And this is a shop where, in the past 28 days, I have sold over 18,000 orders, received more than 218,000 visits, and generated a revenue of about 3.4 billion VND, which is roughly over 140,000 US dollars. And if you are selling on TikTok, you should learn how to run ads by yourself. This will be a channel that can help you grow your revenue very quickly. This is another advertising campaign for a fashion shop which brought in over 7,000 orders, with the cost per order being about 11,000 Vietnamese dong and the total revenue somewhere around more than 918 million. Next is another shop. This shop brought in over 10,000 orders and the revenue reached somewhere over $120,000 with an ROI of about 21. Besides that, there are also many other shops. For example, this shop had somewhere over 2,000 orders. This shop has over 53,000 orders and revenue of more than $400,000. And especially, TikTok currently has a special promotion for new advertisers. If you create an advertising account today and run ads, whatever amount you spend will be reimbursed, with the highest reward tier reaching up to $6,000. And to receive this promotion, you need to click on the exact link that I've placed in the comment section or in the description of this video. Only then will you be able to get this offer. After you click on the correct link, a window like this will appear, and there will be a voucher worth up to $6,000. You will scroll down and prepare a completely new email address to create your account. Then here you will enter your email address. After you enter your email and password, click the register button to create your advertising account so we can run ads. At this point, you will select the two identical icons and click the confirm button to proceed with verification. And TikTok will send us an OTP code to our email, so please check your email. After that, you will check your email and paste the OTP code that was sent to your email. Next is the section for entering business information. You can enter your company name, brand name, store name, or even your personal name. If you have a website, paste the website link here. Then select the product category or business field you are in, choose your monthly spending budget, and enter your phone number. Then here you click on the See More Information button and it will show a country selection, so you can choose the region where you want to run your ads. You can choose the currency unit, and finally make sure to select the correct time zone for your country so you can run your ads as accurately as possible. After that, click the Continue button. Next, you will click the Agree button. Here, we will proceed to agree to the terms, and then a window like this will appear. Here, you will need to click on the letter U for me near the TikTok Ads Manager logo right here. There, just click here. After that, a button labeled Business Center will appear, so you will click here to proceed to create a Business Center account. Alright, after you create the Business Center account, a window like this will appear. You will select for yourself, that is, the type. You will choose I am an advertiser. Remember, you have to select I am an advertiser correctly in order to receive the voucher. After that, you will re-enter the same information as before, just like we did earlier. Enter it one more time, okay? And finally, you just need to click the Confirm button to proceed and complete the process. At this point, a notification like this will appear. Click the button to skip the information, and below, click the Confirm button to complete the setup step for our Ad Everyone. And then you will proceed to click the Submit button. After you have finished creating the Business Center account, now click on the logo with the letter U again. You will click on the Business Center button so we can switch to the Business Center interface, everyone. At this point, the account that we just created will appear. You will click on the Business Center, which is your business center, to switch to the overall interface. At this point, a notification will pop up saying Enable Two-Factor Authentication, so you should click the Not Now button. There you go. Now our Business Center account will appear, and you will be using this Business Center a lot in the future. Besides running ads, in future videos I will give you more in-depth instructions. It has a lot of features. Now to run ads, you need to click on the Ad Payment Information button first. Click here. Then you will proceed to enter the Financial Manager section. You select Financial Manager and then click the Update Access button. After you have updated the access, it will require you to enter tax information. If your organization does not have a tax code, you should select Non-VAT. If your organization has a VAT tax code, then select VAT and enter your tax code. After that, select the correct region as well as your province or city. And we will proceed to enter our postal code according to our area and click the Update button. Alright, after we finish updating the payment information, I will guide you on how to connect this TikTok channel and link your store so you can run ads for your shop. So to connect, you will need to go to the Account section. The first step is that we need to connect our TikTok channel first. You will need to connect your TikTok channel first. And to connect your TikTok channel, you will go to the Account section, then go to the TikTok Account section. Here you will select Add TikTok account, then choose Link an existing account and click the Continue button. At this point, you will select the Ad Distribution section and turn on these switches, then choose the Ad Distribution section. After that, turn on these switches. Then you will proceed to click the Continue button. After you click the Continue button, a QR code like this will appear so that we can open the mobile app and proceed to connect the TikTok channel. So now I will guide you to open your phone, open the TikTok app on your phone so we can scan the authorization code, get the videos from the channel, and run ads. And to connect your TikTok channel, first you need to open the TikTok mobile app, then log into the TikTok channel you want to run ads for. Next, tap on the three-line menu button in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option called My QR Code. Tap on this button. Next, tap on the scan icon in the top right corner of your screen, then scan the code displayed on your computer. After that, press the Continue button to complete the ad authorization process. Alright, after you've scanned the code and pressed the Continue button, your TikTok channel will appear here. At this point, click on your channel, then click on the Members button. Next, select Assign New Member and click on your account. Then, turn on all these switches and press the Confirm button to assign advertising permissions. So, you have successfully connected and authorized your TikTok channel to run ads, everyone. And to run ads for our store, you need to do one more step, which is to link your shop, right? That means linking your store. So now I will guide you through the next step, which is linking your shop. You will select the shop section for me, which means the store section. In this store section, you will choose to request access rights to your partner's store. Here we click here and a section will appear asking us to enter the store code in order to connect. So to get the store code, you need to open a completely new Chrome profile and log into your TikTok shop account, everyone. Next, here I will open a completely new Chrome profile, then proceed to log into my TikTok seller account. Now here you'll see two identical icons appear, so just go ahead and select one, everyone. After you log into your TikTok store, you'll click on the logo icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, a section will appear showing your store code. This is the store code located right below your name. Copy this store code. Then we go back to the business center of the ad account. We paste the code here, and at this point, an icon like this will appear. Click the request button to proceed with the proposal, and then a delegation link will appear. Copy this link. Then go back to your TikTok store, paste it into the search bar, and press enter. There, a notification will pop up like this to connect, okay? Then, when this connection notification appears, you need to click the agree button. There will be a notification like this in yellow, so click the agree button and then click confirm. So now you have successfully connected the store to your advertising account. At this point, click the OK button and your connected store will appear. Then click on Assign New Member and select your account. Then you will click the Confirm button to proceed with granting advertising authorization. Next, I will guide you on how to authorize advertising so that everyone can run Gmail Mark ads for the shop. So everyone will click on this store. After that, you will proceed to click on the Gmail Mark button. Here you will click on the Install Gmail Mark button, everyone, and your advertising account will appear here. Then you will click on the Request Permission, the permission to run Gmail Mark ads. A notification like this will appear. Click the Confirm button. And then a link like this will appear. Copy this link. After that, go back to our TikTok shop, meaning our store. Paste the link here and press enter. At this point, you will receive an authorization notification like this. Click the Confirm button to connect our store to the advertising account. Then go back to the Business Center advertising account we just created and click the Continue button. At this point, you have successfully authorized the connection. Now you can start running ads because you have finished connecting this shop and the channel. Now go to the advertising account section here in this account menu and then go to the advertising account section. Then click on the button that says Go to Ad Management Center. Next, click on the Terms and Conditions box and press the Confirm button. Now you will proceed to create a Gmail Mark ad as follows. And to run a Gmail Mark ad, first click on the Gmail Mark button, okay? Click on the Gmail Mark tab. Then click on the Create Campaign button and it will show the store you've connected. Click here. After that, click the Continue button. At this point, a window like this will appear. Click Continue. And I will guide you on how to run Gmail Mark ads, everyone. To create a Gmail Mark ad, first click on the Create Ad Campaign button. And here there are two ways to run ads, advertising for products and advertising for live stream sessions. So I will first show you how to run ads for products. For example, in my shop here, I have about 20 to 30 products, so you should start by advertising the best-selling products first. And we will create a separate ad campaign. For instance, here, turn off the switch for Advertise All Products for me, okay? Then click on the Add Product button. For example, here I have about 20 products, so you should follow a formula. Pick the 2 or 3 best-selling products and create your first campaign with them. Here, I will select the 3 best-selling products to create a separate campaign first, and then you click the Confirm button. After that, scroll down to the section below and you'll see a field called the ROI target. This ROI target is also known as the bid, meaning the target bid for our advertising campaign. ROI is calculated by dividing total revenue by advertising cost. For example, if your revenue target is around $1,000 and you're willing to spend about $100 on advertising costs, then you would set the ROI to 10. Or for instance, if you spend about $100 on advertising and you only want to earn about $500 to make a profit, then you would set the ROI to 5. That means this ROI is calculated by dividing the total gross revenue by our advertising costs. That means this ROI is calculated by dividing the total gross revenue by our advertising costs. And remember, the lower we set our ROI, the higher our level of competition will be, meaning your ads will generate more orders. The lower the ROI is set, the stronger your ads will run. If you set a higher ROI, your ads will run more slowly compared to when you set a lower ROI. This is called the ad bidding mechanism. For example, if my goal is to spend about $100 on advertising, then I just need to bring in around $500 in revenue, and I would set the ROI to 5. Next, regarding the budget section, here you will run according to the system. For instance, I will set the system to run about $200 per day for this campaign. After you see good results, you can gradually increase the budget. And if you scroll down below, there will be a section for the promotion date. Just leave it as the default. Then scroll further down and all you need to do is name your campaign. For example, I'll name the campaign Group 1 and then just click the Publish button and that's it. So that's how you create an advertising campaign for remixing a product. At this point, for newly created ad accounts, you'll need to take an extra step, which is to add funds to your ad account. You just need to do one more step, which is to add funds to your ad account. Here, I'll enter a test deposit of about $200 and click the Continue button. Alright, for those of you running ads for the first time, you'll need to choose a payment method. Depending on your region and country, there will be different payment methods available. For example, here, I personally often use a Visa card or PayPal to make payments. At this point, you just need to enter your payment information on TikTok and that's it. To pay for ads on TikTok, just click the Confirm button and your ad will be ready to run. So I have just shown you how to run ads for your products. Next, I will guide you on how to run ads for live streams, which is also very simple. You just need to click on the Create Ad Campaign button, then switch to the Live menu. Earlier, we were running ads for a product, right? For the product listed in the shop. Now, we will learn how to run ads for live streams. For live stream ads, you do it in a similar way. But you just need to switch to the live stream ads toggle and here it will display the TikTok channel that you have connected. In case you have multiple TikTok channels and want to run ads for several channels at once, you just connect them as I showed earlier, then click here. Then after selecting the TikTok channel for the live source, you also set the ROI and the budget just like before. For example, I will set the ROI to 5 and the daily budget for the live session to about $200. You can run more or less depending on your revenue and scale. Finally, you just need to click the Publish button to proceed and finish creating the live ad campaign. It's really quick and simple, isn't it? So I have just shown you how to run ads on TikTok Shop for both Product Remix and Live Remix. In the upcoming videos, I will guide you on how to run more advanced and in-depth ads, as well as other types of ads such as message ads, website ads, or conversion ads. If you find this video helpful or want me to make more videos on any topic, please leave a comment below. Or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel to follow upcoming content about TikTok advertising. And don't forget that TikTok currently has a special offer for new advertisers. You can create an ad account and start running ads today. When you spend within the first 30 days, whatever amount you spend will be reimbursed and that money will be converted into advertising credits. For example, if you spend $1,000, you will get $1,000 back and you will have an extra $1,000 to run ads, increase your revenue, and find potential customers, everyone. Thank you all for watching the video.